Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Dida water filter is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern kitchen, ensuring that every drop of water you and your family consume is pure, clean, and free from harmful contaminants, which is why choosing the right filtration system is paramount for your health and well-being. And today we're diving deep into the Dida Water Filter W10295370 to see if it lives up to the hype and delivers the pristine water quality you deserve. Number 5. Filterlogic UKF 8001 Replacement Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience superior water quality with our premium refrigerator filter. It's crafted with natural coconut shell carbon for enhanced filtration, ensuring a cleaner, better-tasting water for you and your family. This filter effectively reduces a wide range of harmful substances, including chlorine and other major impurities. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your water is purified by an independent, third-party laboratory. We prioritize your health by using only BPA-free and food-grade filter materials. It's also NSF 372 certified lead-free, ensuring the safety of your drinking water. Designed with precise measurements, it seamlessly fits your refrigerator just like the original. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to enjoy fresh water without any hassle. Keep track of your filter's performance with the included monthly installation stickers. Each filter works optimally for 6 months or 300 gallons, helping you maintain fresh-tasting water consistently. Rest assured, this refrigerator water filter is certified by NSF 42 and 372 standards. It meets rigorous requirements for both quality and safety, providing you with reliable filtration. What we like? This filter uses premium coconut shell carbon for excellent filtration. It's certified by NSF 42 and 372 standards for your peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable filter with easy lifespan tracking, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter is easy to install and works great. This filter fits perfectly and the water tastes so much better. I've been using this filter for a month now and it's still working perfectly. Number 4. GLACIER Fresh LT1000PC Replacement Water and Air Filter. Experience cleaner, better-tasting water with our advanced filtration system. It's designed to significantly reduce chlorine and other impurities for your peace of mind. Enjoy the pure taste and fresh smell of your water and refrigerator air. This filter effectively removes unpleasant odors, keeping your food and drinks pristine. Our filter provides reliable service for up to 6 months or 200 gallons. It's built with premium materials to ensure consistent performance and contaminant reduction. This versatile filter is compatible with various refrigerator models, including those using LT1000PC and LT120F part numbers. Check compatibility for a perfect fit. Rest assured, it meets NSF 42 standards for material, construction, and performance. It has been rigorously tested by independent labs for your safety and satisfaction. Keep the air inside your refrigerator fresh and free from odors. This helps preserve the taste of your food and indicates when it's time for a replacement. What we like? This option excels at reducing chlorine and improving the overall taste and smell of your water. It also comes with a fresh air filter to keep your refrigerator smelling great. If you're sensitive to chlorine taste or want to tackle refrigerator odors, consider this filter. What people say. The water filter works great and the water tastes good. Easy to install and fits perfectly in my refrigerator. The filter is effective at removing impurities and provides clean, fresh-tasting water. Number 3. Waterdrop WD-F08 Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience advanced water filtration with our certified refrigerator filter. It meets strict NSF 42 and NSF 372 standards for your peace of mind. Enjoy a perfect, leak-free fit every time. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking just minutes to complete. Our filter features a premium coconut shell carbon block with double the surface area. It significantly improves water taste and removes impurities effectively. Never guess when to replace your filter again. Complimentary month stickers help you easily track its 6-month or 300-gallon lifespan. Your health is our priority. This filter is constructed with BPA-free and food-grade materials, certified lead-free for your safety. We believe everyone deserves clean water. A portion of your purchase helps provide safe drinking water to children in need. What we like? This filter offers comprehensive NSF 42 and 372 certification, ensuring all-around protection. It features high-quality Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon for improved taste. If you value thorough purification and want to support a good cause with your purchase, this is the one for you. What people say. The water filter is easy to install and works great. This filter provides clean and fresh-tasting water. The design is sleek and fits perfectly in my refrigerator. Number 2. Waterdrop WD-F08 Refrigerator Water Filter. Introducing the Waterdrop WD-F08, a refrigerator water filter replacement that offers certified purity. It combines excellent filtration performance with essential NSF 42 and NSF 372 certifications for your peace of mind. Experience comprehensive protection with our filter. Every component, as well as the entire cartridge, is certified by NSF 42 and 372, ensuring all-round defense against harmful impurities. This filter features a significant upgrade with 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon. Its 2x larger surface area and increased micropores dramatically improve your water's taste compared to less efficient charcoal filters. Your safety is our priority. We use only BPA-free and food-grade materials, verified by NSF 372 certification for lead-free content, ensuring a safe drinking experience. We believe everyone deserves pure water. A portion of your purchase helps provide clean drinking water to children in water-scarce regions of Africa, making every sip count. Never guess when to replace your filter again. Complimentary month installation stickers are included to help you easily track its lifespan, ensuring you always have pure water for up to 6 months or 300 gallons. What we like. This filter provides excellent filtration performance at an affordable price, using premium Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon. It also contributes to providing clean water for children in need. If you're seeking a cost-effective solution with a social impact, this filter is a strong contender. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes chlorine and improves the taste of the water. The water flow rate is good, and there are no leaks. Number 1. Waterdrop WD-F38 Refrigerator Water Filter 2-Pack. Experience the best in water filtration with our product. It combines excellent performance with essential certifications like NSF 42 and NSF 372 for your peace of mind. Tired of impurities in your drinking water? This filter effectively removes harmful contaminants while preserving the beneficial minerals that are good for you. Say goodbye to leaks and loose filters. Our product is designed for a precise fit, just like the original, and can be installed in minutes without any tools. We've upgraded from traditional charcoal filters. Ours uses 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon with a significantly larger surface area for more effective filtering. Never guess when to replace your filter again. It comes with month stickers to easily track its lifespan, ensuring you always have pure water for up to 6 months or 200 gallons. We believe everyone deserves access to clean water. A portion of your purchase helps provide pure drinking water to children in water-scarce regions of Africa. What we like. This filter effectively reduces impurities while retaining beneficial minerals in your water. Its precision fit technology ensures no water leakages. If you're looking for a filter that balances purification with mineral retention and supports a charitable cause, this is an excellent option. What people say. The filter works great and the water tastes pure. Easy to install and fits perfectly in the refrigerator. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.